Hello! In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into your OPPO K12x. So to enter your SIM card into this device you have to use SIM tray key, just like this one, and then simply you enter your key into this hole and your SIM tray should pop up, so you can pull it out. And now you have to place your SD card and SIM card on this tray. Like this. And put it back into your phone. And now, as you can see by the network bars right here in the corner, my SIM card now works. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.